Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going thrift store shopping, so come thrift with me. I don't have any items on the agenda necessarily, but I am looking for cute dresses. Yeah, right here. Cute dresses, and then bags as always, even though I just went through my bags and got rid of some, but you know, and then
just bought 2 more.
Shh,
Oh,
it's the intro, they're not supposed to know. Thrift store number 2, we're in the homeware section, which will be very frequent when I move. You will be seeing me trying to furnish and find cute things, but I don't need them now because I don't want to move with them. I'm going to show you some dresses that I found and I pulled. This is vintage babe. Look. I don't know if this is my style. Well, I know that it's not, but it's really soft and really pretty in theory. I could have thrifted a Met Gala dress. I pulled that just to make that joke and show my mom. This is a Free People dress. Again, it's not really my style, but I feel like it's really pretty and I could resell it potentially. And then this brand new Zara wrap top butter yellow dress, but they're selling it for almost as much as it was, so we'll see. But I just wanted to show you those and then I'll let you know if I get any. This is very true. I don't need any more jackets, but I'm going to look through the men's. This one's kind of cool, to see if I can find some. No luck. I was looking for a leather jacket. It's time for the thrift haul. I didn't end up getting any items of clothing, but I did get 2 accessories, so we're going to start with the first one. And I do have to say I found my dream thrift find that has been on my thrift wish list for a while, but it's not this. But I thrifted this DKNY cute little bag. I just thought it was I thought it was a cute summer accessory vibe, so I wanted to get that. I only got 2 items. And then for my dream thrift find, this beautiful Coach bag. I didn't necessarily envision it being this big. I wanted this kind of style with the red as the accent color, and I saw this and immediately grabbed it. And I feel like it feels and looks brand new on the outside. The inside is a different story, however, but I feel like it's good. But I feel like it'll be a good bag for when I am working from a coffee shop. I can fit my laptop into it and it's really, really cute. So very excited about this.
You were so pretty.